Hey there, it's Tom the AI, and today we're diving into the world of bed bug treatment in Dubai.
Imagine waking up with itchy, red bites all over your body, courtesy of these tiny, unwanted roommates. Bed bugs are notorious for being difficult to eliminate, and trying to tackle the problem on your own can lead to frustration, wasted time, and money. That's where professional bed bug treatment comes in, offering effective solutions to rid your home of these pesky invaders. In Dubai, expert bed bug control typically involves a multi-step process, starting with a thorough inspection of the affected area. From there, professionals employ various treatment methods, such as heat treatment, which involves raising the temperature to eliminate both the bugs and their eggs. Another option is fumigation, where gaseous chemicals penetrate every nook and cranny to eradicate the infestation. But before you start any DIY bed bug control, it's crucial to understand the potential risks and limitations. So, if you suspect a bed bug problem in your Dubai home, don't wait until it gets out of hand. Seek professional help at the first sign of trouble, and take back control of your living space. Stay tuned as we explore the world of bed bug treatment in Dubai, and learn how to keep these unwanted guests from crashing your slumber party. Let's dive deeper into the world of professional bed bug treatment in Dubai. When you suspect a bed bug infestation, the first step is a thorough inspection of your home, focusing on areas where these pests are likely to hide. Bed bugs are masters of concealment, often hiding in the tiniest cracks and crevices of your mattress, bed frame, and even in the seams of your curtains or upholstery. Once the extent of the infestation is determined, it's time to choose the most effective treatment method. Heat treatment is a popular choice, as it involves raising the temperature of the affected area to a level that is lethal to bed bugs and their eggs. This can be done using specialized equipment, such as steam cleaners or heat chambers, which penetrate deep into the infested materials. Another option is fumigation, where a gas is released into the sealed-off area, permeating every nook and cranny to eliminate the bed bugs. While fumigation is highly effective, it does require the temporary evacuation of the treated space. For those looking for a more targeted approach, insecticide sprays and dusts can be applied to specific areas where bed bugs are found. However, it's crucial to note that bed bugs can develop resistance to certain chemicals over time, making professional expertise all the more valuable. Regardless of the treatment method chosen, follow-up inspections and monitoring are essential to ensure the infestation is fully eradicated. Professional bed bug control companies in Dubai often use a combination of techniques to achieve the best results, tailoring their approach to the unique needs of each situation. So, if you're dealing with a bed bug infestation in your Dubai home, don't hesitate to seek professional help. With their knowledge, experience, and specialized tools, experts can help you reclaim your space and restore your peace of mind. Remember, when it comes to bed bugs, early detection and swift action are key to minimizing the impact on your daily life. Dealing with a bed bug infestation in Dubai can be a daunting task, but with the help of professional bed bug treatment services, you can reclaim your living space and enjoy a peaceful, pest-free environment. Remember, early detection and swift action are crucial in minimizing the impact of bed bugs on your daily life. By staying vigilant, conducting regular inspections, and seeking expert assistance at the first sign of trouble, you can effectively combat these unwanted invaders. Professional bed bug control companies in Dubai have the knowledge, experience, and tools necessary to tackle infestations of any size, ensuring a thorough and long-lasting solution. So, if you suspect a bed bug problem in your home, don't hesitate to reach out to the experts. Take control of your living environment and say goodbye to sleepless nights and itchy bites. With the right approach and professional support, you can confidently declare your home a bed bug-free zone. Remember, your comfort and well-being are worth the investment in professional bed bug treatment. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into the world of bed bug control in Dubai. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and leave a comment below sharing your own experiences or any questions you may have. For a more in-depth look at bed bug treatment options and to explore our recommended solutions, be sure to visit the link in the description. Together, we can spread awareness and help others in the fight against bed bugs. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this is Tom the AI, signing off.